few hours, we have been privileged to listen with rapt attention to the
By the way,
diverse
I bought some books. I owe $20. Can I just pay cash? Because they said Venmo or...
presented by distinguished academics.
Okay. Because that was going to be my donate. I was going to add some. Okay.
This event is not merely a celebration of 125th anniversary of Swami Vivekananda's visit to the Bay Area. Rather, it underscores how his voice remains profoundly relevant and carries immense power for the modern mind. The powerful intellectual waves he generated, which first burst upon the Western world like a thunderclap in Chicago over 130 years ago, continue to influence the thought currents of the world directly or indirectly. Swamiji consistently expressed a deep sense of commitment to Western audience, encapsulated in his powerful declaration, "I have a message to the West as Buddha had a message to the East." His resolve to share universal truths was further emphasized before he left Beirut for his second American visits, saying, "The time has come when all truths should be given to all people, unobstructed and uncompromised." He brought his vision to fruition during his visit to the San Francisco Bay Area from February 22 to May 29, 1900. In just 97 days, Swamiji delivered a remarkable series of lectures, presenting more than 73 talks at 7 distinct venues. What is the difference between his first visit and second visit to the United States? Swami Vivekananda's first visit to the United States was characterized by powerful introduction of Vedanta, where he was a roaring lion, laying the profound theoretical foundation of his message and authoring Raja Yoga. This initial trip focused on presenting the core philosophical ideas. His second visit on the teaching the practical aspect of Raja Yoga for spiritual transformation, as he expressed in 1896 from New York in a letter. The abstract Advaita must become living, poetic in everyday life, and to transform bewildering yogism into a scientific and practical psychology that would be easily grasped. In short, the first visit was about establishing spiritual philosophy, while the second was about implementing the spiritual practice. Thus, in the Bay Area, with other teachings, Swamiji emphasized 3 points. Number 1, practical aspect of spirituality. Number 2, opened spirituality for all by removing the obscure fences. Like Buddha, he opened spirituality for all. I have given my highest teachings in California, he declared From this point, he developed his universalism of Vedanta based on oneness of existence, the common ground for all. He delivered the talk, "Can Vedanta be the future religion?" in San Francisco. This event stands as an outstanding and befitting tribute to Swamiji's life and enduring legacy. I wish to formally acknowledge and commend the contributions of all individuals involved in organizing this significant occasion, resulting in a truly memorable and successful celebration. We extend our deepest heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Srikhar Reddy, Consul General of the Consulate General of India in San Francisco, for his gracious support and encouragement throughout our year-long celebration commemorating 125th anniversary of Swamiji's visit to the Bay. Although Dr. Reddy was unable to attend to this program, we are honored to welcome Consul Raju Sharma, who is representing the Honorable Consul General. Your presence, Consul Sharma, has added immense value to this event, and we sincerely thank you for the Consulate's continued commitment and esteemed participation. We extend our sincere thanks to Dr. Ruth Harris for graciously accepting our invitation and traveling to the United States to be with us. Your address, which offered profound insights into the life and teachings of Swami Vivekananda, was a great rediscovery of his relevance. It served as a powerful reminder that his timeless words continue to inspire and guide generations. We deeply appreciate your contribution to this program. We express our sincere gratitude to Dr. Dipesh Chakraborty, who kindly attended one of our programs to celebrating Swami Vivekananda's 150th birth anniversary in 2013. Your presentation, and specifically, actually I am surprised that you have actually pointed out Gopalsma, a very insignificant but very important character in Ramakrishna's periphery. Your presentation offered inspiring and insightful reflection to the great and very critical area of Sri Ramakrishna's surroundings. We extend our appreciation to all of our distinguished panel speakers, Dr. Ritari Sharma and Dr. Christopher. Thank you for sharing your profound insights on timeless teachings of Swami Vivekananda. We are confident that your valuable reflections were greatly welcomed by the audience, and they have undoubtedly helped to reaffirm the enduring relevance of Swamiji's message in the contemporary world. We extend our heartfelt and sincere gratitude to the Institute of South Asia Studies at UC Berkeley. The Vedanta Society Berkeley deeply appreciate the invaluable collaboration forged with the Institute over many years. I think Dr. Munish Farke has mentioned from 2013. This profound partnership has culminated in this magnificent event marking 125th anniversary celebration of Swami Vivekananda's historic visit to the Bay Area. We wish to specially thank Dr. Munish Faruqi, and Dr. Luther Obrak of the Institute of South Asian Studies, UC Berkeley. Your unwavering dedication to foster rigorous dialogue and scholarship concerning Swami Vivekananda's legacy has made today's program truly impactful. Furthermore, our sincere thanks to the entire Institute team, including Monika ji and Anniv ji, among others, who have been meticulously involved in planning and executing this highly meaningful endeavor every step of the way. Finally, we recognize the full dedication and sincerity of the Vedanta Society's devoted volunteers who worked tirelessly as they always do. I thank you all who have come here from San Jose and the distant places from Sacramento. So my special thanks to you. Revered Prapanna has kindly come here and attended throughout the program. So my special pranam to Revered Prapanna Maharaj. Our gratitude is extended to all individuals who have directly and indirectly contributed to making this event a resounding success. Thank you. Once again.
आपने दिया ले लेते हैं आफ्टर इवेंट प्रशांत मिल रहा है